Hello, welcome to the channel The Tech Outlook. In my last video, I have explained how to create database, how to use the database. See, we don't have create statement in MongoDB, so directly we use the database. Then we create collection. Then I have shown you how to insert multiple documents. So for better understanding, you all can refer my previous video. Here I will show you how to insert embedded document and array in the given collection. So before that, we will start MongoDB. Just go into C drive, wherever we have installed MongoDB. Just click on program files, click on MongoDB server edition 4.4 version, click on bin and double click on this mongo.exe. So once we go to that link, directly we can see this prompt. It means MySQL MongoDB is installed properly. So we have college database. If we want to see, we can see show DBs. Show DBs is the command which shows us how many databases are there. So here we can see college database. In my last video, I have shown you how to use the database. So we can use this command, use college. So we have switched to DB college, right? We have created student collection also. I will show you that collection, which command to be used for that, db.student.find. So here you can see, and if I use pretty, all the documents will be displayed in organized manner, right? So we have we have inserted 6 documents. Now in this video I will show you how to insert embedded document and how to insert multi-valued field, multi-valued attribute. We all know that phone number is multi-valued attribute. If that particular student has more than phone number, it will act as a multi-valued attribute. If that student has a number of hobbies, then hobbies field also can act as a multi-valued attribute. So now I will show you how to insert embedded document. Embedded document is just like as a composite attribute of MySQL database. We have name, address, these are the composite attributes, and if we divide that composite attribute into multiple attributes, that attributes are called as component attributes, like first name, middle name, last name. For address we have street, city, zip code, etc. So how to insert, how to take that fields in MongoDB, that part I will show you. So we will take the same collection, db.student.insert into bracket, opening brace. So I will use id colon, again it has key value fashion, id colon 6 comma. So now name is my embedded document. So what I will do, name colon, again I will use opening brace, which is again one object which takes fname colon, suppose Swapna. It has string data type, so it should be in the double quote, comma, L name. Sharma. I can take L name and F name in double quote. If I don't take, it will be accepted. So this is my embedded document, right? And I will show you, I will end this part. Oh, I forgot to miss it. So if we execute this command, db.student.insert opening bracket, opening brace, id colon 6 comma name colon f name colon Swapna, L name Sharma. Then this bracket is completed for this object and the first object. Then closing bracket. So here you can see one document is inserted in student collection. If we want to see, I will execute the same command db.student.find.pretty. So here you can see embedded document is inserted, name colon first name L name. Whereas what we do in MySQL, directly we take F name and L name. We don't take name as a composite attribute. Directly we take component attributes while creating table, but here we use embedded document, that is nothing but name colon and that attribute. If we want to take address, so I can take id colon 7, and then here this is my first object. Here what I will do, I will use address. This is my single document in which I have two embedded documents. One is for name and second is for address. So address colon in opening and closing bracket, I will write street colon ABC road, and then city Kolkata. So again, the second one is second document is inserted. If I want to check whether it is inserted or not, I will execute the same. So guys, here you can see the latest record which has ID 7, name, F name, L name, address, and name and address both are acting as an embedded documents, right? So this was about embedded document. Now I will show you how to insert array. Array is nothing but multi-valued attribute. If a particular student has more than two values for phone number, so I can insert ID 8, name, address. If we take the same record, still it will be accepted by MongoDB. Here I will use phone number. Phone number colon, I will use array. The first number, this is my second number, and that should be in array. I can take third number also, right? So if you will see, one document is inserted with array. So again I will execute the same command in db.student.find.pretty. So you can see the latest one, id colon 8, name embedded document, address embedded document, and phone number, that is nothing but multi-valued attribute, multi-valued field, which is used with array. That is a symbolic that is a symbol of array which shows multiple values for that attribute, for that field. Likewise we can have hobbies also, right? So in this video I have shown you how to insert values for embedded document and array. I hope you must have understood this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.